Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. I know it has been a while. Please do not kill me, okay? So I was on vacation. I decided to have some fun, so I am back. For vacation, I got these braids put in. Huge knotless braids by a new stylist who is super professional. I shouted her out on my Instagram, so make sure you check that out. And I'm just going to take this out, color my hair black, deep condition, silk press my hair, and do a length check, which is why I have this shirt on with the numbers on it. Because as you guys know, I have not length checked my hair since December of 2020, so it's been a while, about 6 months, and I'm just ready to see what's going on with my hair. I know I need a cut, so we're gonna do all of that, and I figured what better way than to show you guys the process. So without further ado, make sure you hit that like button, and let's get straight into the video. I'm just gonna cut these. I have my mat on the ground, so it doesn't really matter if they do the same thing to this side. Now I just gotta take these suckers out. I'm hoping it won't take more than like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, if that, because these are huge braids. Like, they shouldn't take that long. I am gonna probably fast forward through this part, but as you can see, I'm just taking my braids out. I cannot wait to color my hair. I'm just so tired of this dingy brown color. I know I have some like dry patches in my scalp. Ugh, it's not giving what it needs to give right now. Your girl got a tan. I'm looking nice and chocolatey. It's up. Alright, so I'm on my last two. The shrinkage is looking so crazy. Okay, so for my hair color, I am using Agora 1.0, which is black, and I'm mixing that with the Schwarzkopf Blami 20 volume developer, and I'm going to mix it with double the amount of Olaplex I'm supposed to, only because I didn't have a 10 volume and I want to ensure that my hair is as healthy as possible. So I'm literally just going to use a whole entire tube. When you are mixing hair color, excuse me, I have the sniffles, my allergies are acting up, I'm in the garage, but anyway, when you're mixing hair color, you want to make sure that you mix the ratios properly. I don't measure, as you guys know, because I just been doing this for a long time, but it would typically be 1 part of cream developer or cream color to 2 parts developer. So if, let's say, I have 1 cup of the cream color, then I will put 2 cups of the developer, totaling 3 cups. I hope that breaks everything down for anybody that wants to know the specific measurements. Again, I just eyeball it because your girl is an OG with this color thing. So I'm going to go ahead, I've doubled the Olaplex. I'm going to add a little bit more at the end just so you guys can see. Making sure this is a nice and creamy consistency. You don't want any lumps or chunks inside of your color. So now that that is thoroughly mixed, again, I'm going to add some Olaplex just to ensure that my hair is as healthy as possible because your girl is looking super rough. And I am going to put a cape on and just start to apply my black hair color. Now, I have not colored my hair, oh my goodness, probably since 2013. It's been a really long time. The last time I colored my hair was copper, and that was a moment in time, okay? But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this black hair color all over. I'm trying not to do too much of a voiceover. I tried to talk as much as I could through this video, but I was at work and other people were working, and some of the audio was kind of iffy. So I'm just gonna speed through some of the longer parts. But if you guys have any questions, please, 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 if I can speak, please feel free to reach out to me. Side note, this is typically how I would color my hair at home. Whenever I did color my hair back in the day, the main goal is to just get that shit in there, okay? Period. So you just want to make sure that you saturate the hair as much as possible. So I'm just going in, applying it with a brush, but then I am going to use my hands and just massage it through. This is black, so it's easy to do this. I definitely do not recommend doing this unless your hair is either black or pre-lightened or brown, some easy color. If I was bleaching my hair, I would never do this. One, because you never start at the roots first, okay? So if you decide that you want to do this at home, do this with a dark color or with a color that's all one shade, like a red or something. Do not do this with lightener, because if you start at the scalp first, you're gonna have bright yellow scalp, and your ends are gonna be like this ugly, really like darkish blonde, and it's just not going to be a look, okay? So make sure if you're doing lightener at home, you start at the ends first and you hit your roots absolutely last, okay? I'm not responsible for anybody that wants to DIY at home. I'm just showing you how your girl gets down with black hair color, okay? Just had to throw that out there because people really be trying to do their own thing and just be like, what's going on? Like, didn't nobody tell you to do that? So anyway, back to the video. I missed you guys so much, so I'm really hyped to post this video, and I hope you guys will join the live chat. Drop some heart emojis down below. I cannot wait to fully return back to YouTube. Your girl is on her way to being a full-time influencer, so I'm really excited about that. And again, I missed each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. Now let's get back into this video. Just cut this on. I'm just hitting both the on button here and here for my steamer. I am going to rinse this out. I have a towel because I'm going to bend my head over, and then I'm going to put some Olaplex number 2. Let that sit for like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to shampoo my hair. So just getting everything ready. Olaplex number 2. It's gonna sit all in my hair just for a minute. Let me lean up just for a second. I'm generous with it, you feel me? Steamer is already pre-warmed up, so it's ready to go. So I'm just gonna go in with my Color Wipes by Fremar, and I'm just gonna start to remove that harsh hairline. I did get some hair color on my face on accident, but whatever. Okay, so I found this blow dryer off of Amazon. I will link it down below. This is my third time using this, and to be honest, I was really skeptical because this is a like universal blow dryer slash brush, and you guys know I like to use a paddle brush, and I just really didn't think it was going to work for my hair type. It did good. It's just you have to be patient, take your time, and take big sections. And then I did have to go in with my regular Rusk Speed Freak with a not a paddle brush, with a round brush, just to make sure that the roots got straight. But overall, this did a really good job, so I was really impressed. So I figured I'd add this in the video just to show you guys my new little gadget that I have that I use at home. And I will be ordering another one to use on my clients as well, because I do have some clients with super thick hair. So I just want to test it out on them to see how it works. So you'll definitely be seeing more of this in my upcoming videos. So you guys just saw me add in my Influence S3 spray. This is what I put in before every press, just to ensure that the hair is extra protected and it's going to be healthy. So I'm just going in with my custom flat iron. This is the prototype that I came out with before I even came out with the original design. You guys know, if you've been following me since last year, this is the OG one. But you can definitely order my flat iron off of www.CassandraOlivia.com. We are almost sold out. I just relaunched and it's going amazing. You guys have shown so much love. I sold 43 this month, and I'm just very appreciative because you guys are really helping me and my kids secure our future bag. You feel me? So shout out to you guys. So here I'm just gonna press my hair out, and then when I'm done, I am gonna switch my shirt to put on my length check shirt just so we can see how long it got. And I am going to be doing a cut just because I have not trimmed or cut my hair since the last time I pressed it. This is actually my first time pressing my hair since December. First time trimming my hair since December. It's just been braided up and in wigs and weaves. And I have been kind of rough with this, so I knew that I was going to have some tangly ends. Just because your girl, when it comes time to detangle, I just try to get that shit done, to be honest. So I knew that my frustration was going to cause a lot of breakage. And I'm honestly not attached to my hair at all. So this cut was just something I felt was much needed. And your girl does all of her presses and cuts on herself. I'm a perfectionist, so you're just going to see me finish pressing my hair, and then you're going to see the process of me cutting my hair, getting it nice and even, taking it up where it needs to be taken. We're not holding on to any dead ends. We're just trying to get it nice and healthy, so that way when I go into my protective styles, it will be ready to grow and thrive, and I can get it to bra strap, which is my goal. So if you made it this far, make sure you drop a comment, like this video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I can't say it enough. I'm getting ready to head out to grab Olivia from summer camp, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
That's what's up, boy. 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 That's what's up, That's what's up, boy. 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 That's what's up, That's what's up, boy.